Coach, a very convincing victory here at Valsugana. It seemed like seeing again the Verona from the first half of the championship, maybe starting a bit slow in the first half and then going strong in the second half.
Yeah, Valsugana made us work pretty hard in that first half. Yeah, we weren't quite as accurate as we wanted to be though, but pleased how we stayed patient, stuck to our game and worked our way into it and built some dominance into that second half.
A hard battle from minute one, mostly in the middle of the pitch. How did you win this one?
Yeah, I thought defensively we were really good today. I thought physically we were pretty dominant at times, and we put a lot of pressure and created some errors in their attack. So that gave us some opportunities. So yeah, really pleased with our defence today. But yeah, they brought a lot of physicality to the game. But certainly I'm pleased with the impact from our boys in that second half. They came off the bench.
Good defence, very good scrum, especially in the second half, and the backs, with the calm and with the tranquility that the scrum were given, they showed all their quality.
Yeah, so we sort of saw some space throughout the game, and we executed it pretty well at times. So yeah, like I said, I thought we got better as the game went on in terms of how we executed and held onto the ball and sort of finished those opportunities off.
How important is this victory in terms of building up that momentum we were talking about?
I think it's important. It's important to be able to perform away from home. We're going to have to play away from home in the playoffs, so learning how to deal with different environments and it's important. So it's important from a confidence point of view as well. I think we're starting to build some momentum in our performances over the last 2 weeks, so we'll continue to do that over the next 2 as well. Next
week is the last one at home for the regular season. Then we're going to have another one. What are you looking for that game?
Yeah, we'll look to build on today again, but yeah, we'll certainly look to manage our squad, look at giving some guys some opportunities to really bring some impact and some energy next week and give them an opportunity to play for a playoff spot, I guess, in the 23.
Thank you very much, Coach.